Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Noor Mohammed and welcome to Watara Farms. This morning the birds have been fed and I want to take their weight to know whether they are improving or they are not. It's very good to know their weight, check their weight at least every week for you to know whether they are improving or they are not improving, or whether the feed you are giving them is helping them or not. If you check their weight, you know the next step to take if they are not improving weekly. So today I'm done feeding them, some are still eating, and I'm going to check their weight. I'll pick about 5 and then check their weight. That will give me the information that I need. So it's always good to get this kind of scale. This is a kitchen scale that I use to measure them. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, this one is 533 kg. 532 grams. Okay, that's half kilo. You pick randomly, you don't select. You pick randomly. Stand here. You don't select the big ones, you pick randomly. If you select the big ones, you'll be deceiving yourself. Pick any one at all so that you get the figure, know whether you are doing a good job or not. Stand, please. Stand. Okay. Gentle, stand well. Okay, this one is to stand well. Oh, they are not. They can't. Okay, let's go. Stand. Good. Stand. Okay. I believe it's not beans. I believe this one will give me half. Okay. I'm getting 500 and something grams here. Yeah, 5. Okay. So this animal is one more. Okay, 503 kgs. Grams. 503 grams. Okay, you see their weight is random. It's matching. Okay, mostly the males are heavier than the females. Yeah, the broilers. Mostly the males are heavier than the females. Okay, this one here is giving me 565 grams at 3 weeks. That's good. You are doing well. Let's go gradually. You know, these birds are organically raised. I don't want any chemical added because they take shorter time to mature. If you give chemical and then the wash away period is a little bit longer, those that will consume the meat will have an effect. Humanity, it's important to think of the people that consume the meat rather than thinking of your money. So their health comes first. I make sure I give them quality meat. Yeah, so I raise them organic, chemical free. This one they give me 531. All right, that's good. Just encouraging. So because of that, I normally bring my birds earlier than the normal time. Yeah, so let me try the last one. Let me check the last one. This is the last one. Stand well. Yeah. Okay. This one is giving me 460 grams. All right. 460 grams. All right. So this has given me some information. I have to give them an organic growth promoter so that they will boost more than what I have now. Okay, so it's very good to be checking the weight of your birds every week or every 2 weeks for you to know the improvements. The day they arrive, so the day they leave your farm, you have to be checking their weight to know what the work you are doing. So that is it for today. You know, some are very small. You see this one there, yeah. So you do sorting when you get a chance, a time. You sort the bigger ones aside, and then you leave the smaller ones at one side so that they also get access to feed. Because sometimes the big ones show them muzzles, so they don't get access to the feed. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so very much for your time. The returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being there for me. The new subscribers too, thank you so much for subscribing. Keep on liking, sharing, and anything at all you can comment so that we all learn together. All right, peace.